Today, Rusango University National Church hosted a nature walk, youth nature walk, in which they had to do a lot of activities according to them. Let's see what they have for us. I'm alright. Oh, I see the sun is scorching you anyways. How's your experience here?
The experience is good.
So what's your advice to the youths out there?
To the youth, like Sabbath, you need to do some Sabbath walk. Spend time with friends.
To always find time to fellowship with others.
And with another advantage, I had an opportunity to interview one of the student pastors at Rusango University International Church by the name of Pastor Malibanga.
If you know where to get help from.
Alright?
Life is good when you have friends, when you are connected to people.
Sure.
It's easier when you do other things.
No, that's the advice from the pastor himself. And two youth participated in a one-on-one game where they had to do a tag of war challenge, and I have an opportunity to interview one of the participants by the name of Pastor Kainet Gracious.
So once in a while, it's very important to have time to discover nature. It is very important to have time to interact with people, to have time to learn a lot of things that can help them probably in their living. We are still living on this planet Earth.
All right, thank you. It's been nice meeting you.
We recreate because we are experiencing the nature of God.
Sure. So what's your advice to the youth out there?
The youth should be doing this almost every Sabbath so that they may know the importance of recreation. Nature walk exposes you to see God's creation. Then you end up knowing the beauty of God. I think that's all I can say and encourage the youth to be doing it.
All right, Pastor Nkole, we will meet. The bishop. So they want to teach exactly how this game is. It fosters unity like that. Then they twist, then they do it again. The talkative one is Julius. In campus, I had an opportunity to interview one of my roommates who probably happens to be MG Julius Chanda. Sir, how are you?
I'm okay, and how are you?
I'm alright. How are you experiencing the place so far?
So far so good. We started when we were about to start, it seemed as if it would be boring, but as the games went on.
And so this is what transpired in Monze at Rusango University International Church and the youth ministry at large. Reporting for Maps Media, Maplanga Mishik, live in Monze.